Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be doing a haul. This is a haul only from one store. I just want to show you guys what I got at Victoria's Secret Pink because everything is super cute and it was like mostly on sale. Actually, all of it was on sale. So I just kind of want to share with you guys what I got. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. So I actually have like two different bags because I went two separate times to Victoria's Secret and Victoria's Secret Pink. So I guess I'll show you guys what I got the first time I went, which is what's in this bag. So I love how they wrap it. It's like a present, you know? It's so cool. Okay, so the main reason why I went to Victoria's Secret was because the pink apparel, all of the clothes were buy one get one free. Not buy one get one half off, buy one get one free. So was like, you know what, I'm gonna take advantage. So I bought some things. So first thing that I got was a t-shirt, and this is just a like burnt orange colored shirt. I love this color. I've noticed that I've been like really into this like burnt orange, like faded orange color. Like I love it. And these are like super soft, and this one just has love pink sort of like sewn into the shirt, and it's a crew neck t-shirt, and yeah, that's basically all that this is. I got it in an extra small. I kind of wish I would have gotten it in a small, but that's okay. I'll still wear it. And this shirt was $29.95. I think that these would be super comfy with jeans, or with even just like leggings would be kind of nice. So I got this one, and of course because it was buy one get one free, I ended up getting another one. And I also got a t-shirt, and this is like a blue color, but this one actually has like a front pocket, and the pocket has love pink embroidered in it in like a neon green kind of color. I just think it complemented the blue really well, so I really liked that. And again, it's just a t-shirt, basic t-shirt, kind of oversized in this blue color, and it's just so cute with black jeans or black leggings, you know, whatever you want to wear. So I got that one. Okay, so that's actually all that I got on my first trip. And then on my second trip to Victoria's Secret, I ended up downloading the Pink Nation app, which if you guys don't have that app, I highly recommend that you download it because you can end up getting like a ton of coupons and stuff. Like, this sounds like it's sponsored by Victoria's Secret. I swear it's not. It's just like, this is how this happened. So I downloaded the app, and then I had a coupon for a free panty. I freaking hate that word. Free undies, and it was like a deal on like their sports bras, and $10 off, and then the pink stuff was also buy one get one free. So of course I went back because naturally I just really like shopping. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in this bag now. So all wrapped up in here is actually the free pair of undies that they gave me, and I just got to pick a pair, and these are so cute. These have a little peach in the front, and this is what they look like. I only got one free pair, so I'm not going to complain because I love some free undies. Like, I remember Victoria's Secret used to send out those like postcard mailers all the time with the free undies. They don't do it anymore, but like that was the best. Okay, I ended up getting 3 things the second time. So first thing I got was a pair of leggings, and these are the pink seamless, and it has this little thing that says like best, and then there's like a little peach, which I think stands for butt, best butt. And they're also squat ready, so that's great. Seamless, breathable, yada yada, typical workout legging. So this is the high waist, full length tight, and I got the purple color, and these remind me a lot of Gymshark. I think that's the brand, Gymshark, with like the coloring, and then with like this in the back. Like, this is what the back of these look like. Like, these little lines make your butt look super nice. Like, I don't know why, it's just like butt contouring, but on like clothes, you know? So yeah, so I got this pair. They are a little long, but I mean, I'm also 5 feet tall, so I can't really like complain. And then they have these like this like mesh thing at the bottom. So these are super cute. And then I actually ended up getting the matching bra to that. So this is the matching sports bra. So this is like the cutest gym outfit, but like I would never just wear a sports bra to the gym. Like I just could never unless I had abs, and I don't. So yeah, I'm just gonna be wearing this under a t-shirt, but this is what it looks like. It does say pink. I got that, and I think I got this for like $8 because I think there was like a deal on the Pink Nation app, so that's why that was such a good deal. Alrighty, moving right along, I got another pair of the same leggings. I do this thing where if I really like something, I get it in like multiple colors. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like I do. So I got the same legging in a, I don't know, like gray, heather gray, black kind of color. So they're basically the exact same thing. They have the mesh down here at the bottom. They got the pink, and then they have the butt contour situation going on. So yeah, I just got that. That was everything that I bought from Victoria's Secret. I know this video was like super short, but I really wanted to show you guys what I bought. Say hi, because I know I haven't been on here in some time. So yeah, that's it. So also, if you want to see how I did this makeup look, I'll have that video up in the cards, and I'll also have it linked down below in case you want to see it. It should be up by now. If not, then you'll have to just like subscribe to see it, but I'm pretty sure it is by now. Anyway, yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. I will have those for you right here in case you are wondering what they are, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.